I have devoted my entire scientific career to designing precision medicines. I function as one of the many investigators on the Purdue campus that engages in cancer research. And I focus much of my efforts on designing new therapies to treat this horrible disease. We discovered that we could target drugs specifically to prostate cancer cells using a new molecule that we designed. Although Locomets and Pluvicto were invented at Purdue University, we rely on clinicians across the country and throughout the entire world to inform their patients of the wonderful properties of this drug and the capability of it to treat their cancers, reduce morbidity and mortality.
My motivation for becoming an oncologist was driven by losing my mom to melanoma. And as part of her journey, she was involved in several clinical trials. I now have the opportunity to help patients and their families through the journey of a cancer diagnosis. The IU Simon Comprehensive Cancer Center offers hundreds of clinical trials that give patients access to the most promising new approaches in preventing, diagnosing, and treating cancer.
I was diagnosed with metastatic prostate cancer approximately 3 years ago. I was given 6 months to 2 years to live. After about 3 months of traditional therapy, Dr. King offered me this clinical trial. My wife, Mallory, and my crew from American Huey 369 all insisted that I go for this trial. I wasn't done with life. I was ready to fight. With what I had left, I was ready to fight, and I fought. And every day I got a little better.
The trial that we had open was an international trial combining the Pluvicto therapy, which was discovered at Purdue University, with standard of care treatment for prostate cancer. We truly believe that clinical trials are our best therapeutic approach for patients. And when I met Don, this trial was the perfect opportunity to begin his treatment for his cancer. Today's trials will lead to tomorrow's therapies.
It was important to provide a proof of concept for targeted radioimaging agent in humans, and it was absolutely critical that a collaboration between the Purdue Institute for Cancer Research and the Indiana University Simon Comprehensive Cancer Center take place in order to run this phase 0 proof of concept clinical trial in humans.
The collaboration between Purdue University and Indiana University allows us to bring innovative cancer therapies to Hoosiers and beyond.
When you have a personal experience disclosed to you on the impact on their life or their father's, it is enormously motivating. You take advantage of every opportunity you might be afforded to do more of this same kind of work.
I'd like to express my gratitude to Dr. King, Dr. Lau, and Purdue and Indiana University for their collaboration on this research. Without it, I wouldn't be here.